What's going on, guys and gals, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special one. I got a new knife. I ended up having to get it off of DLT Trading website, but that is a nice little sticker they sent me. I can really appreciate companies that send stickers. Anywho, I got one of the new Jack Wolf knives from their Gateway series, and we are going to unbox it right here, right now. We got the equal end, and when I think of a slip joint, I think of bone handles, so I had to go with the smooth red bone. And I have not, I've opened it and looked at it, but I have not touched it and handled it because I wanted to bring you guys along as we do this unboxing. Nice little box here that comes in the sleeve. And I mean, this, I have to say, Jack Wolf, as far as packaging goes, is pretty spot on. And this is on here, guys. You're not just gonna accidentally pop this thing open. And there she is, in all her glory. And like I said, I have not touched it. I have not took it out of the packaging. So we are doing this right here live for everyone to see. Nice, beautiful red bone. Check out the pile side. Beautiful. Everything is nice and flush. Can't feel any of the pin transitions, bolster transitions. I mean, it is some kind of nice. I must say, I mean, from everything I've heard about Jack Wolf, their fit and finish is top notch, and so far we have no complaints here, guys. Check the centering. Dead on. Got a nice, beautiful long pull on this nice, beautiful spear point blade. You know I'm a huge fan of the spear point blade. Absolutely beautiful. There's your Jack Wolf Tang stamp there. It is in 14C 28N blade steel. And the acoustics and walk and talk are supposed to be some of the best in the game. And just by handling this one right here, right now, I can tell you, it lives up to the hype. Nice, even grind on the blade. I love the swedging right here at the very top. And she is sharp. No burrs felt. I did bring a little piece of paper out here for y'all, because I know we got some paper cutters out here. So let's just see what she could do right out of the box. I would call that good, y'all. Well, that's gonna be a-okay for this old boy right here. I can promise you that. Absolutely beautiful. Comes equipped with the half stops, which I absolutely love. The thing jumps into half stop and snaps closed. And I believe these are already hot sold out. But y'all, if you find one for original price, which I want to say these were $69.99, and I highly recommend you pick them up. I said that Beautiful long nail nick, but you don't really need it. You know, it's pinchable. Oh, yes, sir. I have to say I am very happy with my first Jack Wolf purchase. And yes, this is from, like I said, it's a Gateway series. A more, I don't even know what to say, user-friendly, I guess, pricing. You know, if you know anything about Jack Wolf, their premium lines, if you will, they are expensive. Expensive. But I have to say, I have no complaints whatsoever about this one right here from their Gateway series. Well, thank y'all so much for stopping by. God bless y'all. I love every single one of y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. Tell everybody about it. If you don't want to, then don't tell nobody about it. Anyway, God bless you. I love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.